Shoutout giveaway. One held every 4 weeks, and to enter it's free. Just share any one of our videos to at least 5 people. Then take screenshots as proof. After this, DM them to us on IG at bbgunshowyt. Once you have done this, you are entered into the giveaway. Good luck. Today's video, how to install M4 battery. The correct way. Step 1. Remove the back cover.
Fucking move it.
Step 2. Get the wires out to be connected. Step 3. Get the battery, and connect the 2 plugs together. Step 4. Make sure the gun is working. Step 5. Fit the battery in at the back of the stock. Step 6. Place the cover back on the stock. We hope this video was helpful to you. Subscribe if you have not already. It helps us to know if you like content like this. Next week's video, review on a new BB gun. Subscribe so you don't miss out.